Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install NVMe driver in Windows 11. It's pretty easy. All I have to do, you just need to hit right click on the Windows icon. Then you need to look for device manager. Here it is. Click on that. And after you click on that, you need to look for storage. And storage is right here. So just open the drop down and you'll able to see something like this standard NVMe Express controller. If you see something like this, it means that the NVMe drivers are already installed on your operating system. So all you can do for now, you can just update your drivers if you want. So for that, you can just click on update driver. Right here, you can either browse from your computer or you can also go for automatic option. For some reason, if you're not able to see drivers, you can do one thing. Just click on your Windows icon, go to settings, select Windows Update, and make sure that your Windows should be up to date. If not, just check for updates and just install all the pending updates. That way problem should be solved. Besides this, if your SSD manufacturer provides a dedicated driver, download it from their official support website, run the installer and restart your PC. And if Windows doesn't detect the SSD during installation, download the storage driver from your motherboard or laptop manufacturer, put it on USB drive and use the load driver option during Windows setup. That's all you can do to install NVMe drivers in Windows 11. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.